In this video, we're going to be looking at testing the performance of a storefront. First of all, I've opened up an incognito in my Chrome browser, and I've taken my storefront URL and I've appended the parameter $speed test equals true. What this will do is force UltraCart to always inject the critical path CSS when the page loads, as if the customer had been there the first time. So what we're going to do is we're going to open up our Chrome Developer Tools. On Windows, that's F12. And we're going to go to the Audit tab. We're going to choose, we'll start with mobile first, the performance category, always clearing storage so that we pay the penalty for fetching assets, and then we'll run our audit. And you'll see that Chrome is going to run an application called Lighthouse and analyze how it sees your website. Okay, Chrome is done with that analysis. As you can see, here's some statistics about the site, but Lighthouse scores the storefront as a 100. Now we can go ahead and clear that test, and we'll do it again for desktop. Likewise, we're scoring a 100 on the Lighthouse performance report. If we look a little further into the way the page loads, a couple of techniques that UltraCart's doing is it's actually consolidating and minimizing the JavaScript assets on the page substantially, as well as CSS assets on the page will also be consolidated. That's reducing the round trips that the browser pays. Likewise, we're actually calculating the critical path CSS block, which is all the CSS for the assets above the page fold that need to be included into the page for it to render without fetching any additional resources. And so we'll calculate that and inject it automatically. Then we're doing a number of other optimizations, such as pushing script tags down to the bottom of the page. And you'll also see that one optimization that the visual builder elements do, such as the slider, is it will build lots of different images of various resolutions so that the optimal image is served up to the client based upon their screen size. And then down here we can see all the script tags have been pushed to the bottom of the page to lead to an optimal load time without a lot of hand coding or tweaking by the merchant.